Manhattan Afternoon from 2012, 13 years. And this is just a Golden Virginia flake with honey. So a different type of Virginia than the, look at the bulge on there, than the interlude tin. All right, it's gonna be loud. Woo! That was an explosion. Wow. Man, that smells amazing. My ears still hurt from that explosion. That sounded like a shotgun. Welcome back for another review. We have Manhattan Afternoon by Cornell and Diehl. This tin happens to be very old. Well, you saw the tin opening and the explosion of this tin. And some of these Cornell and Diehl tins do that. I've had tins in the past that just blew their top and on their own, and it sounded like a shotgun going off in the house. There was nothing you can do other than jump out of your chair and try not to poop yourself. So, Manhattan Afternoon. This is a Golden Virginia versus the one I reviewed last week, which was Red Virginia flake with a little bit of honey. Now, this one's a little bit different from the interlude. Red Virginia is a lot different than Golden Virginia. Golden Virginia is a little bit lighter, less nicotine, less depth. So to compare the two, now this seems to be a little bit more sweeter. Now, I don't know if it's because it exploded when I opened it, but it's a little bit sweeter than the interlude versus the depth that the interlude gave than this blend. So it's a trade-off. It's kind of a trade-off. So this one is more sweeter, more one-dimensional, less nicotine versus the interlude, which I did last week. And I'm going to let you know a little secret. This by the way, this wasn't my idea, but I've levitated towards it. 50-50 mix right here. You will be blown away right here. 50-50. You mix it. Blown away. And I'll leave it at that. But so this has more sweetness from the honey, sweetness. Now why is this more sweet than interlude? Now I want to tell you why. Because Golden Virginia tends to be a little bit more sweeter when aged than the Red Virginia. The Red Virginia is more deep, dark, depth. That's what you give the Red Virginia. The Bright Virginia is a little bit more on the lighter side. It's just like the name, bright, lighter, brightness. Red Virginia tends to be a little bit more on the darker side. So that's where you want to put these two. I mean, they're both part of the Simply something series, Simply Elegant series. I think that's what it's called. These are the old 10. These are the old labels. They're a lot more cheesier now for some stupid reason. But again, this is 2 ounce and only 2 ounce, and they don't have 8 ounces. And I don't know why. They used to have 8 ounces. I mean, it's not like, well, this whole series doesn't have 8 ounces, because that's not the case, because opening night, which is a straight Virginia flake, has an 8 ounce tin of it. And by the way, that's probably one of the best Virginia flakes that Cornell and Diehl offers. And when it's aged properly, you can get it practically tastes like that Galway thing, full Virginia flake. Yeah. Yeah, believe it or not. Yeah, believe it or not. I know a lot of you might have tried that and might like, no, that doesn't taste like that. But I've had a 2-ounce tin aged to a certain time frame, and it tasted just like full Virginia flake. Now, if that's going to happen again, I don't know. But Manhattan afternoon, we have a Golden Virginia. It says a drop of honey. These two blends are nothing like Sun Bear. Do not compare these to Sun Bear. Please do not. They're nothing like Sun Bear. Sun Bear has that, I think it's an elderberry or something. There's something else going on with that. And you can distinctly taste that when you light it up. This is sweet honey. Literally honey with your Virginia flake. So either you like the darkness of the red Virginia as interlude, or the sweetness of the bright Virginia, or like I said before, you play a little game and you mix the two. But you did not hear that from me. Till next time, that's all I got. Have a good one.